Hello students, today I am going to start the next topic of the chapter, forms of market, and the topic is types of companies. There are basically three types of companies. Earlier it was two types of companies, but after 2013 there are three types of companies. What are that? The first one is private limited company, second is public limited company, and third is one person company. What are the characters? How can we make the differentiation between these three types of companies? So first one, which is private limited company, it is having some characteristics. On the basis of that only we can make the differentiation in that. First one, in private limited company there is a restriction to its members to transfer its shares capital. Means in private limited company जो members होते हैं, members are not having the right to transfer their share capital. वो अपने share capital को किसी और को transfer नहीं कर सकते. Second one is minimum 2 and maximum 200 members. In private limited companies, minimum 2 members should be there, and maximum number of members it is fixed to 200 members. 200 members से ज़्यादा members नहीं हो सकते और कम से कम 2 members should be there. Next is private limited company does not invite public to subscribe to its share capital. Means they do not invite any public. मतलब किसी को वो invite नहीं करते कि come and just take our share capital. They do not invite any public to subscribe its share capital. Okay. Next is second type. Second type is public limited company. Public limited company, in public limited company there is no restriction on the transfer of shares. Means in that transfer of shares is possible. Shares जो है वो transfer किए जा सकते हैं to any of other members. Next is in this minimum number of members is 7. In public limited company there is 7 members are minimum. Minimum 7 members should be there, and maximum there is no limit. Maximum कितने भी members वहाँ पर हो सकते हैं, and there is no prohibited, means there is no restriction from inviting the public to subscribe its share capital. Means public को invite करने के लिए कोई restriction नहीं है. They can be invited to take the share capital of that company. So that is known as public limited company. Before 2013 only these two types of companies were there, but in 2013 there was the Indian Company Act 2013. According to that the Indian Company Act 2013 में बना, उसके according एक और type की company add कर दी गई, that is one person company. In one person company, that is also known as OPC, one person company, in that members have the limited liability. Means there are one member can start that company, that's why that is known as one person company. One member can start that, and this company automatic may be public or private limited if there are some conditions. On the basis of that, if they just cross that limit, then they will be either private limited company or public limited company. So the two conditions are: first, that if the transaction if the investment limit is more than 50 lakh rupees, then it will automatically converted into private or public limited. Or if the turnover of the company is more than 2 crore rupees in a year. If the turnover of the company in one financial year, April to May, if it is more than 2 crore rupees, then this company will automatically convert into public or private limited. That's all for today. If you are having any problem related to the topic, you can text me or call me. Thank you and have a nice day.